Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to PKS Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Thembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. Yeah, gone are those days whereby whenever there's a Soweto derby coming, we knew that we shouldn't panic because we knew we had the players that will make it easy for us not to feel uncomfortable to watch the derby. Talking about the days of Knowledge Musona, Bospio Shabalala, Bomandla Masango. We knew those days would know. As long as there's Knowledge Musona, the game was over even before it started. But now, manje you wonder ukuthi sokwazi ukora na more than one goal, or will we be able to defend well? Because in the last 3 games, defensively we were not solid. Up front, not clinical. And it's the story of our season. It's a story of our season. Because at least even if we could score 1 goal, we knew that at least at the back, the defenders will try by all means not to concede. But now, man. But let's get straight to it. I'm going to do a prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. It's a big game, so it's a derby. We know that in this game, form doesn't matter. But what is important is the final result. Both teams babuya from consecutive defeats. Surely they are both wounded. For Kaizer Chiefs, I believe ukuthi in the goal post bazoqala ngoBrendan Peterson. Mtshebe, this is the derby whereby ukuthi Melaskombo ukuthi ngempela uye contender of goalkeeper of the season, because makazobamba clean sheet uzo equala Osipho Chain in terms of less goals conceded if Kaizer Chiefs score that 1 goal we were defended in 90 minutes. But besides that, I believe Guti, he has made sure that he's a pillar of our defense at the back by being vocal and commanding in that defense. I believe Guti Sezandleni is right. Brendan Peterson is number 1. Bese ku left back position. Yeah. Bradley Cross is back. Paseka Maguna is available, including Kanyiso Shinga. But for Shinga, it's impossible for him to start. For Cross, he's used to pressure because he has played the Soweto derby before. But now, when you play a game of this magnitude, you don't need only players that will play the derby, but you need players that have the experience to play the derby. Even though Mark has costed us several times, but I believe the coaches will start to do Paseka Marco again. And one thing he should not make is a mistake of trying to prove a point to Orlando Pirates, but play to prove a point to himself that is good enough to fix the mistakes that he has done in the previous games. Good left center back, it's speed manometer, umshino BPO, otitanga uhlale kuwe. Talking about Eden McCarthy. Eden McCarthy has been a revelation for Kaizer Chiefs, and you'd swear that he has played for a long time in the top flight, but it's only his first season. He was patient enough up until he was called up to the senior team, and he's showing what he's growing mentally and physically. He's growing because he's able to challenge, he's able to put his body on the line for the team. And for the fact that he's cool, calm and composed, this game won't suffocate him. So I believe Guti is our left center back of the game versus the Orlando Pirates. Then go right center back, it's Wosiamin, the leader amongst leaders in Naturena. I believe Guti, this game to him doesn't carry any pressure because he's used to it. If it wasn't for him in the Nedbank final in 10 May, ngabe asikho la isikhona, because he was resolute and he made sure that he's calm and he leads from the back. And even this season, all the games that we have played, he was there, made his presence to be felt. And him being able to read the game, him being able to be vocal, him being able to see where danger will be and try to mark the space, I believe he's our man in that right center back position up until Ivikela Mbuso libe right. But they said he has passed the fitness test, but ukumlahlela nje sekuzoba i-risk abangayithatha, because we know ukuthi in life if you don't take risks, simply means ukuthi ezinye izinto angeke uzithole, angeke uhlale ku-comfort zone. Ku-right back sokhuphuka ngoThabiso Munyana, because you want someone that is going to contain uRelemo Mofokeng. uSolomons can't, because he enjoys moving up and down but cannot balance, and you cannot leave any space for Mofokeng because you'll be punished. So he needs someone that is going to guard him, make sure that he doesn't play his best football. This game is going to be important for every player that plays for Kaizer Chiefs, because I believe it's not only about breaking right, but it's about them keeping their hopes alive of trying to be in the top 3, I believe. So obviously, Umunyane will be that player that I can say we can rely on defensively, because he's a hard tackler and also he has a good recovery rate compared to Solomons. Bese ke esigubhini number 6 Grootman, Lebohang Maboyi, umshini oyishintshayo, the experience, XP ayithenga, into ekhula kuwe ngesikhathi osidlalayo in the game, and he shows each and every game that he is an experienced and a good player for Kaizer Chiefs. Him being able to make sure that he connects the defense to the attack and make sure that his movements allow him and his partners to be in sync, whereby they understand each other's movement. We saw against Stellenbosch, which was the orchestra. Him and Umshini were able to link up play so that Eden Chisles can have that free role. But now he needs one thing: tactical discipline. Angamuvi kakhulu. Try to be operating in the zone 5 and zone 8, so that it makes it easier for him and the defense to be exposed, because that's what costed us in that game versus Stellenbosch. What costed us in that game versus Zamalek. So I believe Lebohang Maboyi, with his experience, will try to adjust to the demands of that position, especially playing against a team that has the high intensity. Maboyi mustn't be advanced most of the time. Allow his number 8 and number 10 to do that. And I believe in this one, number 8 bazofaka uNdlovu Kajeni, because of his box-to-box ability. He'll offer us defensive duties and attacking duties. The game that we saw versus Stellenbosch, the game plan will change now, because on Stellenbosch we relied on the technical ability of the players, but now we're gonna mix the hard work and technical ability, because we don't want to find ourselves being prone to being counter-attacked by Orlando Pirates. Number 10, many people obviously still want to see Eden Chisles starting, but I don't think it is going to be a wise idea. But him coming second half is going to be a good thing for us, because he's going to bring that element of forward passes, making sure that he pins Orlando Pirates in their own half. I hope we're going to score an early goal. Good number 10, we need an experienced player that is going to understand our opponents. A player like Gaston Sereno. Someone that won't play the event, but play the game. Because Umdu and Uvila ngabaqalisa, but I don't think they might come to the party, because that game will bring too much pressure to them. But you need an experienced number 10, Gaston Sereno. Left winger, it's obvious. Uyobuya futhi Ashley Duprez. because this is one of the games that he enjoys playing. And the coaches, obviously, they won't try to bring his confidence down. Bazomqalisa. Because now also he can offer us something defensively as Upule Modi does. But Upule Modi doesn't give you the constant threat that Ashley du Preez gives you when it comes to attack. He makes sure with the defenders of the opponents don't feel comfortable when it comes to their fullbacks trying to overlap. It pins them to their own half because they know the threat. It's just he's missing chances. Striking force, it's Flavio Silva. After scoring his 7th goal against Stellenbosch, is our main guy this season. Many people didn't think things will happen like this, will pan out like this, but he's there, making sure that he's providing the goals for us. So he's our main man. One thing that he must do again, don't force to be a ball player, a false 9. Play as a box strike. Wait for the crosses to come. Wait for that creativity. I believe if they even start to Gaston Sereno, it puts him in an advantage position over the other strikers because of that combination that they've established with SS. Even the runs that he makes, he must make sure he times them. Avoid being offside. He can be a problem to Usbisi on the CM because we know Guti. Every game comes with its own test. So we must bring that uncertainty in the defense of Orlando Pirates. Now it's going to be his first Soweto derby, so he'll try by all means to prove himself. Because other players, their worth is proved by how they perform in the Soweto derby. This is a game where every player will try by all means to show up. Right winger, it's Unkabi. Claude Makabi Lollipop. I believe Guti we're still gonna use that speed element when we attack of du Preez, Silva and Olilepo when we attack. So obviously we'll try by all means Guti we absorb the pressure from Orlando Pirates and then we'll go and attack in moment so that we don't become vulnerable. We cannot play an open game with the Orlando Pirates. So Lilepo will give you that dynamism. He has speed and also he can shoot from range. That's what you get from Lilepo. I hope Nsese and thank you for making it this far on the video. So bonana ge after the game ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ikhosi alphele umoya. Danko.